Okay, so the last look was for your family. This look is for maybe it's your first time meeting your significant other's family and you need to make a good impression because you cannot let them realize that you are a trash panda on the inside. You have to get to know them first before they can see that part of you. So this look is going to help you make a good first impression and also let them know that you are the one in charge of your new partner's life, okay? Not their mom, not their Aunt Linda, not Aunt Becky. You, okay? You are the HBIC and you are in charge. But you're also pretty and polite. But this eyeliner says, don't mess with me, because I'm crazy. Alright, so if you want to see how I got this look, why don't you just keep on watching? Okay, so first step, you want to look crazy. Just kidding. Okay, so step one, I've primed my skin with my Honeydew Me Up primer from NYX. My under eyes are primed with the Smashbox Hydrating Under Eye Primer. And then this crazy situation on my eyelids is the Anastasia eye primer. Easy? Got it? Good. Keep up. So the first thing I'm going to do is take a lighter, skin-toned shadow to set the crease. So I'm just going to take Innocent from the Sigma palette that I used in my last video and start building out my crease with that. Because we want to really impress your boyfriend or girlfriend's family, so we need the eyes to be as snatched as possible. We want blending, we want layers, we want drama and transitions, but elegance and beauty. Basically, we want adjectives on adjectives. Okay, nice soft round shape. Boom. Now do your other eye. And I'm just taking this on one of my Jeffree Star brushes. I think this is the number 6, maybe the number 7. I don't know, it's the big fluffy one. Because I want to cover a whole area quickly. Done. Now you could easily get a look similar to what I'm going to be doing using the Enchanted palette, but I have a lot of makeup and I need to start using things. So we'll come back to her maybe in another video later on. So because I do have the Jackie Aina and Anastasia palette, I am going to go ahead and use this for the look. So now I'm going to come in and take Ginger and start just adding a little more depth to the crease. Same brush. And having that transition color underneath is going to really help this color blend without sticking to the primer. Just like that. So now I'm going to take a teeny tiny bit of edges. That really nice, like, orangey kind of terracotta brown. Again, same brush. And just add a little more warmth. Very minimal. Because I don't want this to go, like, orange. I just want a really warm, gingerbready kind of color. Beautiful. Just for a little bit of added warmth. And because I'm dramatic and I want to really take it there, we're just going to jump right into Dwola's, that really bright yellow gold, and we're just going to slap that on the lid wet. Just going to take my trusty MAC 233. I'm going to use the synthetic side. We're going to give her a little spritz. I'm running out of my fixing spray. Fun times. And we're just going to slap that on the lid. This look is definitely, like, cute for the holidays, but is gonna let your partner's family know that you are the new HBIC in his life, or her life, or their life. And they are gonna know not to come between you and your person. Because you are beautiful and you will slay, literally. So now on my MAC 221, I'm just going to take Credit, which is that deepest brown from the palette, and just go right into the corners of the crease. And kind of bring it up and out. And a nice little triangle-y wing. Just like that. I'm going to pause the eyes here for a minute. I'm going to go ahead and do my foundation and concealer, and I will be right back with you. Alright, so foundation is on. Today I did another combination that I've done before, my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Photo Finish. Photo Focus, one of these days I'll remember everything, concealer in medium tawny, and then my Studio Water Weight foundation in NC42 from MAC. And then I just set that, with my Select Sheer powder, which has sadly been discontinued. I'm gonna try to not use this as much because I want to hold on to it because I love this powder so much. But whatever. I'm calm. And then for bronzer, I used Delphic Studio Sculpt. No, Extra Dimension bronze. This is from Alluring Aquatics collection a few summers ago, but the Delphic color is actually back with the MAC Holiday Collection in a set with some highlighters. So I'll have the name for that palette printed here, but I love these bronzers. These are so good. They're so skin-like because they reflect light without being glittery. Love them. And then for highlighter, I just did the Milani Spotlight highlighters in Candlelight, and I just used these two colors here. I didn't really go into like the pink one. So there's that. Now I'm going to do the under eye area, okay? So I'm just going to take my Morphe M423. We're going to take Ginger and sweep that along the bottom lash line. Just like that. And then I'm just going to take a pencil brush. This is an old Bare Minerals one from like years and years ago. This is the smudge brush. They do not make this one anymore, but any pencil brush will do. And we're just going to take Credit again, and that's just going to go in the outer like third of the bottom lash line. Just like that. It's easy, promise. Just gives you a nice tie-in with the crease. Okay, now we're going to do a really nice dramatic bold winged eyeliner. And for that, I'm just going to take my Lash Domination from Bare Minerals. I actually really like this one. I really only use it in the winter when I'm not as oily or sweaty because it's not really that long wearing on my skin. If you have more normal to dry skin, it should be okay. But take your time and do a fierce wing because this is going to let your partner's family know that you did not come to play around and you are not here for their games and drama. So I'm starting with a really thick line because I like a really dramatic eyeliner, okay? So I kind of draw above my lash line and then just kind of fill it in. Alright, and I like to go a little bit more straight out usually just because my eyes are really almond shaped and the curve of my brow bone creates a really wonky wing on me if I don't do that, so I usually go a little more straight out. It really elongates my eyes as well, but if you like more of a curved wing, go ahead and do that. That will work. That's alright, that is symmetrical enough for me. I'm going to go ahead and do my brows and lashes off camera, and I'll be right back to finish up with a lip, and see you in a minute. Alright, so my brows are on. I did the Fluid Line Brow Gel Cream from MAC, and then set it with my 24-hour brow setter from Benefit Cosmetics. Love that brow gel. It's a mega hold gel without feeling crunchy, so it keeps all your brow hairs in place, because mine like to go everywhere. And then for my lashes, I used the MAC Mineralized Mascara, and then I did the Ardell number 120 lashes. They're just a nice long wispy lash, so they're long without being super full and crazy. Because you still want to be a little appropriate. You don't want to come off too aggressive, even though you're letting the family know what's what, okay? But now we need a bomb lip. So, I'm just going to line my lips first with the MAC Nightingale pencil. It's just a nice deep berry pencil. And I'm just overlining my top lip a little bit and keeping my bottom lip pretty at its natural fullness. And I'm overlining because I am not famous enough to have lip fillers yet. So, subscribe. And then for my lips, I'm going to use the Dance With Me Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color from MAC Cosmetics. I like to do a lip liner just to give me a frame for this because it's easier. And we're done. I'm gonna go pop on some hair and be right back. And we are back. So, Fire Engine Red lip, Fire Engine Red hair. You came with a mission. Alright, and the holiday look is complete. I don't really have anything else to say on this look other than I hope your partner's family enjoys seeing your face all dolled up, because we all know once they get to know you, they're gonna realize the trash panda you really are. Because that's okay. We are all trash pandas. But you gotta make a good first impression. So, hope this helps. If you guys enjoyed this look, please hit that like button. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, feel free to leave them in that little comment box below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because I have one more look coming for this holiday season, and this one's a doozy. So, until then, I will see you guys later.